I need your advice on refrigerator water inlet valve problems.
If you have a water leak you cannot track to the ice dispenser or the drain hose, check the water inlet valve. Sometimes that leaks itself.
I do not have too much water on the floor, but not enough water coming into the fridge and out the dispenser.
The water inlet valve is designed not to work if the water pressure is less than 20 psi. If you've got a water leak in the pipes to the fridge, the valve won't supply water to the fridge.
If I had a water leak that bad in the pipes, I'd be worried about a different problem.
Theoretically, if you were all flushing the toilets on a commercial break, it cannot get enough water pressure to make ice for a few seconds. Run the washer and dishwasher at the same time while showering, and it cannot get enough water for a while.
That at least would be an obvious cause as to why it isn't working.
For many refrigerators, the switch built into the water inlet valve could be broken.
I have no idea how to test for that.
The switch can be checked with an ohm meter. If there is continuity, you know the switch is probably not shorted.
What else could it be?
The actuator connected to the switch in the inlet valve might be stuck, whether because it is rusted or broken or clogged with hard water pieces, I don't know.
I hardly ever clean the coils on the back. I do not even do anything about the rest.
While you're checking the water inlet valve for blockages and broken pieces, change out the water filter. In fact, a clogged water filter could stop water from getting through the valve or past it and into the fridge.
The light for a clogged filter is not flashing.
That might not be working, or it might be based on how long the filter has been in the fridge, and someone pushing all the buttons reset that timer.
That would be a new problem to blame on the toddler.
If you're lucky, it is only due to the water dispenser tube running through the freezer being frozen. Thaw out that tube and maybe the water dispenser works.
That would at least be a free thing to check and maybe repair.
Some people prevent that problem by running the water dispenser and ice maker every day.
I cannot get it to work today.
If you're lucky, it has ice in the ice maker but can't get it out through the damper door. Clean that or chip away the ice, and you can resume getting ice.
And if that's not the problem?
Get a professional to come in, change the filters, check the tubing and maybe replace the water inlet valve.